Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the essentials: your combat level, ship speed, and survivability items. Once done, open the map and watch for factory-related markers or server chat alerts so you don't waste travel time. Make sure to equip a fruit radar or join a private server to increase spawn odds. Start heading toward the factory island immediately when you see an alert. This first move advantage prevents other crews from taking the raid before you arrive. You now approach the island and must manage the middle game. Travel fast and drop anchor at the closest spawn. Once ashore, clear outer mobs methodically and prioritize crowd control so you don't get swarmed. Make sure teammates know their roles. One holds aggro while others burst damage, because synchronized bursts shorten the factory boss phases. If doors or panels block progress, look for nearby switches or escort objectives. Using movement skills, you finish by focusing the factory boss with coordinated cooldowns, collecting the loot, and retreating to your ship before additional spawns arrive. Once done, note the time and location to estimate the next raid window and distribute rewards quickly to avoid disputes. If things go wrong, for example the factory never appears or boss despawns, try relogging, switching to another server, or waiting an extra 10 to 30 minutes because spawns can be delayed. Persistence usually resolves spawn issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.